Discover the secret to perfectly styled homes with our personalized interior design types. Make every space change. So hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I will show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Wix and build your own professional website. Let's get into it. So first of all, all I have to do is open web browser and dive into wix.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various information, but before, let's know what is Wix. Wix is a cloud-based website development platform that allows users to create and design websites using a drag and drop interface. It offers a range of customizable templates, design tools, and features to help individuals and businesses build professional looking websites without needing advanced coding skills. So first of all, what is Wix and how you can create a website for free. So you can just follow these 6 simple steps to create a website today. So the first step is choose a platform. Sign up for a secure, reliable, and powerful website builder. Then the second step is start creating. Choose from over than 900 fully functional templates for or use the EA website builder. Then the third step is customize your website. Use the drag and drop editor and tailor your website to fit your brand. Then we have optimized for search engines. Increase your site's visibility with a search of built-in SEO tools. Then we have publish your website, register and connect a custom domain name and go live. Then we have the last step is promote and drive traffic. Use built-in marketing tools to grow and expand your reach. So right now you can just click over get started. Then you have just to write your email, as you can see, and you confirm your email. Then you write your password, as you can see. Then you confirm your password. Then you click over sign up. So once you do that, you will find other page which is let's get started here. Who are you creating a website for? So if it's for myself, my business, or a friend, we have for client, for as a freelancer or an agency. So we click over continue. Then we have here agencies and freelancers. Wix Studio is the platform for you. Manage multiple clients, sites, and projects all from one workspace. Collaborate and create with your team in real time on the canvas. Design with custom breakpoints, code-free animations, and responsive EA. Then we have ensure a seamless handover with personalized client kits. So you click over continue with Wix. Then we have here bring your ideas to life with EA. Tell us about the site you are creating and get a personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. So over setup without chat. Then we have here what type of website you want to create. So we have here online store, for example, and then you click over continue. So you're on your dashboard. So let's slide in your dashboard and let's wait. So we have here the dashboard as you can see, and we have here various things and the various options. First here we have here start setting up your store. Give your store name. You can create a new one or use a name you already have. For example, then you click over continue. You have it already have online store. This will help us customize your site based on your store's needs. So now I'm just starting out. Continue. Then we have what kind of products are you selling. Select anything you are selling now or plan to sell in the future. Physical products, for example. Then you click over continue. Then we have here how are you offering your products. This will let you manage all your sales channels in one place. So we have your online store and then you click over continue. Then you have here you are all set. Head over to the dashboard to finish setting up your site. So as you can see, we have here how you can set up. So you have just to complete this things like here we have connect your custom domain, set up payment methods, add your first product, set up shipping and delivery, and you have design your website, get found by customers on Google also. So all I have to do right now is just click over design, and then we have here how would you like to design your website. So we have the first here, generate a design with EA, get personalized site design in seconds. So you click over generate a design, and also you have your customize a template, browse design thousands of designs, then pick one to custom. So we click over generate a design, and Wix offers several benefits for website creation, including its intuitive drag-and-drop interface that allows users to design and customize websites easily without coding knowledge. It provides a wide range of templates and design tools, enabling users to create professional-looking sites tailored to their needs. Additionally, Wix includes built-in features such as SEO tools, e-commerce capabilities and mobile optimization, making it a comprehensive solution for both personal and business websites. Its flexibility and ease of use make it an appealing choice for those looking to establish a strong online presence quickly. So here we have our generating shop, site brief also, and let's wait. So then we click over continue with this design, and then we have complete this site with your own domain. Give your site a more professional look with a branded domain name. So we click over let's go. So in summary, Wix is a versatile and user-friendly platform that simplifies website creation with its drags and drop functionality and extensive design options, making it accessible for users with varying levels of technical expertise. So here we have in the homepage how you can modify all these things, like if you have a photo, and you can also upload it here, and that's it how it works with Wix. And you can also add elements, add section, pages and menu, and we have site design, add apps, my business, media and CMS. And this is how it works with that. So all you have to do is just dive into Wix and start your sign up, and this is how it works. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.